before you continue watching this video, as you may see, 99.7% of my viewers are not subscribed to the channel. So, if you have been here more than once and you have enjoyed the videos that you have seen, please consider subscribing. Thank you!
Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today, answering the question GoPro Hero 8 Black or Hero 9 Black. Comparing both cameras on the outside, the GoPro Hero 9 Black is bigger and heavier, but it also brings a battery that has 40% more capacity. The lens protector was gone on the GoPro Hero 8 Black and it's now back on the GoPro Hero 9 Black. This is for me an advantage and can save you very expensive repairs. Following the example of the DJI Osmo Action, the GoPro Hero 9 Black has now a secondary front screen. This is a color screen that can be used to frame your images while vlogging. The GoPro Hero 8 Black on the other side has only a simple monochromatic screen on the front. This can give you some status information about the camera. The GoPro Hero 9 Black has now a larger screen on the back that has a very good touch responsiveness. On the GoPro Hero 9 Black, the microphone was redesigned to drain water faster when using the camera in wet conditions. The battery door has also a new design. It now won't pop out when you open it completely. The closing mechanism is also changed and is now spring-loaded. When you pull it down, it will close automatically. On my battery life test, with the cameras recording 4K 30 FPS with stabilization turned on, the GoPro Hero 8 Black recorded for 1 hour and 4 minutes. The GoPro Hero 9 Black recorded for 1 hour and 24 minutes. This is pretty accurate, with GoPro claims of 30% more battery life on the GoPro Hero 9 Black. The battery needed 1 hour, 46 minutes and 30 seconds to achieve a complete charge on the GoPro Hero 8 Black. On the GoPro Hero 9 Black, the battery was fully charged after 2 hours and 8 minutes. This means 20% more charging time for a battery that is 40% bigger and offers 30% more battery life. On my sharpness test, the GoPro Hero 8 Black showed better results than the GoPro Hero 9 Black. A viewer called my attention to the fact that with the new sensor, the GoPro Hero 9 Black in 4K mode only uses a small portion of the sensor, about 5 megapixels. This could explain the difference. comparing the hypersmooth stabilization on the GoPro Hero 8 Black and Hero 9 Black, I also got slightly better results on the GoPro Hero 8 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black on the other side brings the new feature horizon leveling. That, in my opinion, is an advantage. In low light, the images from the GoPro Hero 9 Black are darker than the ones from the GoPro Hero 8 Black, but at the same time they show less noise. When it comes to photography, I think the results from both cameras are very similar. Maybe you have a little advantage for the GoPro Hero 9 Black when cropping images in. So, what is my decision? Well, I think the GoPro Hero 9 Black is a better camera than the GoPro Hero 8 Black. The return of the lens protector, the new redesigned battery door, the new front color screen, the bigger color screen on the back of the camera and a larger battery make the GoPro Hero 9 a better camera than the GoPro Hero 8 in my opinion.